Hello everybody, it's John from Go-Kart Daddy. This is the new upgrade kit for the wooden go-kart. This is going to be the Mark III model. This is going to be the one that goes in production. So this will be available on the website soon. And this is a video of me making the prototype. The tubular frame is used from a salvage go-kart I had. To make a good fix into the wooden go-kart, I'm using 3mm steel plate with M8 bolt holes drilled in each corner. This is then welded to the tubular frame. I've used a cross member of an old salvage go-kart and the stub axles as well. This frame can be easily bolted onto the front of your wooden go-kart and replaces the basic rope steering. I'm now welding the steering rod. This will connect to the steering wheel. After finishing this prototype, I decided to make another one. I wanted a bit more protection at the front for the steering arm and the control rod, so I've added a small bumper. The wheels have the easy fit clip-on retainers. This steering upgrade kit will be made in kit form, so there will be some assembly required.